just a quick look at the Arcana game I'm working on at the moment. So I'll just show you what the user interface looks like and what each component is for. Okay, so we'll start off the game and we'll make it a little larger so that people can actually see things. Okay, so here's our game world. In the middle it's an OpenGL screen, and to the sides are various controls and status panels. Up here we have the attributes, which are the usual role-playing game traits. Just here we have the target, which is currently the ground, and a few soon to be implemented controls for moving around, like approach something, follow something, start combat with something, or pick something up. Down the bottom is the always present inventory section, which needs further work. Over here on the right we have a spare region for upcoming commands, movement options, how quickly you walk or run, combat details, actions to do, and what to do to try to keep alive, and of course good old spells for all the magicians out there. Right down the bottom we have 3 more displays. One is events, general events which happen during the game. One is events for events which occur during actual melee, and finally the chat, so people can talk to each other. Over here we've got the options for how loud you want to chat. Down here we have the actual place in which we do the chat. So you might get that wrong. Very body. And we see it comes up over here in the chat panel. Isn't that marvellous? Finally we get into the actual more interesting part. We've got the OpenGL pane. We have some trees, some rocks. And this funny little fellow in the middle is our character. He'll always be in the middle, but you'll soon see that. This here is the one tree, the large big tree I used for initial testing. So I thought I'd keep that in there just for a bit of fun. Okay, so let's see if we can get him to walk. First we'll go onto the walk movement and pick out a place for him to go to. He's only just walking, so he's not getting there very fast. So we'll go right over here. Let's go right over here, and we'll pick a quicker pace, jog, run, get stuck behind rocks. Okay, one final one is dash, which is faster than the others, of course. So we can choose sites to move to like that, or we could just use the good old keyboard keys. The up key moves you forward, the back key moves you backward, and left and right change your direction. So we'll leave that at that. The only other thing was I mentioned the target section. Over here you can see the ground is currently targeted just here, and if I choose, say, a boulder, it turns into ground, which it shouldn't do. Oh, that was the last one I did, sorry. Yes, if I choose a boulder, then over here we'll see the boulder which was chosen. This is just clicking on an object to have it described and see what you can find out about it. So this will be another boulder, boulder 110. Way up here, boulder 134 if my eyes aren't misleading me. And finally over here, the big one tree, which you can also see over here. So when there's actually more characters and figures, you can click on them and get actual information more than just their name, obviously. Because that is yet another part that needs doing. So let me see. Yeah, I think I've covered most of what's available or what can be done in the game at the moment. So I guess I'll leave it there, and we'll see each other hopefully on the next video. Okay, bye bye.